BSA A10. Here you go, listen to him, black visor. Here we go, my old friend. How are you doing?
So I'm a bit late.
Don't worry. You've met Simon, haven't you?
Hi, Simon. Yes.
Don't worry, man. Good evening. This evening, Simon, Phil and I are riding to the Green Man at Conington. Close to Fenstanton. It is the historical home of the BSA Owners Club, Fenland branch. And over the years, Tuesday night has become a popular haunt for local motorcyclists, not exclusive to the BSA. Oh, cars parked outside, could be busy. I don't know, we'll go through the gap, we'll go here, go between the two bikes and then they can get out between us. You stay there, mate. Turn my petrol taps off, mate. Hey, there's another 850 Commando, Si.
Somewhere, Phil. Is there somewhere? That neutral light wasn't working properly, was it?
Not had long. The Premier ones are 25 quid each, and I've lost one on the way over here.
No! Oh, mate.
Straight through course.
Yeah.
Go back the same way.
yeah.
When you get the same, the other one will be gone.
You're going home the same way then, I reckon? You're going to go look for the Bellmouth.
I don't think I'll find it. We come from Letchworth, so it's quite...
Have you?
Yeah, thank you, yeah.
Oh, bloody brave, I've come from bloody St Ives on my old clanker.
So it could be anywhere in between here and Letchworth, so the chances of finding it are like...
What's that old clanker coming in there, mate? How are you doing? How are you doing? You're good to see you. Good to see you. What is it, Peter? What is it?
He wants to get home. 723 miles on it since I've had it.
723. We did that last month, didn't we?
He's had it 4 years. Not on a Panther, you didn't. He's had it 4 years now.
There's only one thing missing with this, and that's that bloody awful sidecar they used to pull, mate.
Is that your oil? 200 miles. Oh, sorry, just a minute. Where is it?
Yeah, look, there's oil underneath it, mate. Yeah, come on. You see, Phil, I told you they leak like a sieve.
That's one of the things it doesn't do. It
No.
New wheel. Be careful. Wow, so he says.
Yeah. It's lovely, Peter. It's lovely. I can see Simon's getting chrome envy, mate.
You'll have a job of it, I'll polish it.
I'm telling you.
Polishing? Knowing what it's like to polish it well. It's horrible. No, he's don't. I do. You're picking shit. Like this.
I thought you said he was Polish then, polishing.
Can you hear the Japanese bike leaving, everybody? Oh, he's on the side stand starting it. Phil, it's only running on one pot.
It's only got one.
Oh. Is it? No, we'll have to get that, mate. Phil.
Because I like me corners.
See you later.